Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2024. Ayan. Napakabilis ng panahon. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, it's Aquarius season. Happy birthday, Aquarius. Happy solar return. May you have more birthdays to come. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, and of course, good health. So, let's see, Aquarius, energies for you ngayong Feb 2024. Overall energy, you have the Two of Cups. This is about being connected with someone, pwedeng romantically. Meron din ritong union of two ideas, no? Pwedeng meron kayong pinaplanong business partnership, or some of you are just basically in love. Ayan. Yung iba, pwede kayong, ngayong February, you will get into a relationship. You will finally decide to be in this serious relationship. So, some of you, this is a serious relationship. Pwede rin tong, pwede rin kasal, no? Yung iba, magpapakasal or papasok sa isang serious commitment. Let's see. Ano pa? Ano yung challenge naman ng mga Aquarius? You have the Ten of Cups. So, as a challenge, pwede kayong magkaroon ng issue with your family, no? Ngayong February. I'm seeing, meron ako nakikita rito na merong hindi sang-ayon sa relationship mo. Pwedeng family member. Oo. Mga magulang mo, or kapatid mo, or someone na nagdi-disagree about yung person na you are dealing with. Some of you, ang challenge din is kung paano kayo magbibigay ng mas maraming oras at panahon sa inyong family, lalo na kung medyo naging busy kayo lately at hindi na kayo masyadong nagbabonding ng family ninyo. So, let's see your opportunity. The opportunity is the Ace of Swords. So, meron kang bagong idea or solusyon sa problema mo, no? Ngayong February, whatever this is na problema mo, makakaisip ka na ng solusyon. Ayan na, hawak mo na ang susi sa tagumpay. Hawak mo na yung solusyon. Oo. Some of you, may mga creative ideas din kayo na pwedeng magbibigay ito ng opportunity sa inyo na magpalawak ng inyong finances, no? Magbigay ng trabaho or bagong source of income. And I also see some of you na may opportunity to learn something. Meron kayong pag-aaralan, pwedeng self-taught, no? Self-taught. Ikaw yung magre-research for yourself, no? By yourself na siguro something na very interested ka or invested ka rito na gusto mo pang mapalawak ang inyong kaalaman. And there's also an opportunity for a communication with someone. Pwedeng meron taong magre-reach out sa'yo. Someone na matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap. Oo. So, let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing? You have the Five of Wands. This is a very tight competition para sa inyo. So, maaring meron kayong nagkaroon kayo ng conflict with someone. Lalo na kung itong tao na to is nagkaroon kayo ng competition sa isa't isa. Yung parang nagpagalingan kung sino mas magaling. So, as a blessing, I think may possibility na maayos to, na finally masettle kung ano man yung mga hindi pagkakaunawaan. And I also see a blessing from being more competitive, no? So, kung ikaw ay palaban na tao, no? kung ano man yung mga ipupurso mo sa buhay, as long as naniniwala ka rito, pinaglalaban mo, so you will be blessed with being a winner, no? Magiging panalo ka dyan. Ikaw yung mananalo dyan sa lalo na kung may contest kang sinalihan or anything na na-challenge ka na mas pag-igihan pa. Can be sa business. Okay, so let's see your moon energy or moon message. Open up to change. Oh, this is the new moon in Aquarius energy. Meron daw bago. Alam nyo, this makes sense kasi Pluto is in Aquarius right now. So, definitely, some of you will experience na yung transformation, yung change na to na binibigay ng Pluto, no? So, ito na yung time na maging bukas kayo sa mga pagbabago. Pagbabago like pagbabago ng trabaho, career, business, pagbabago ng tirahan, pagbabago ng ugali, or pananaw sa buhay. Step up and lead. Oh, yung iba sa inyo merong leadership role na parating, or the moment na i-open mo yung sarili mo dito sa opportunity na may matutunan na bagong kaalaman or skill, may magbabago talaga sa iyong career. You are going to have a leadership role. And then, a new start is coming. Oh my God. Tinan nyo, Aquarius. Itong bagong simula na to, syempre, manggagaling yan dito sa pagbabago na kailangan yung pagdaanan. There's a new beginning coming to you. Tignan natin kung saang area of life to. Saan tong area of life ang may new start? 11th house. Okay, 11th house is about your community, internet, and technology. So, kung kayo ay nasa technology, maaring may change na gagawin ka sa technology mo. Pwedeng as simple as getting a new equipment, no? Ganon. A gadget. Or yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging open sa pakikipag-ugnayan sa mas maraming tao. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas magiging malakas ang loob na to show their talents and skills sa buong mundo. Some of you, Aquarius, you're going to be the center of attention. Ngayong February. So, let's see what else. So, ito na nga yung skills. Kailangan nyo daw mag-invest sa inyong skills. O yung iba sa inyo mag-invest talaga sa skills. May pag-aaralan kayo. Oo. Pwedeng literal pag-welding or mag-enroll kayo sa TESDA or anything that will improve your knowledge and skills na magbibigay ng opportunity for you to earn more money. So, yung iba sa inyo, may kinalaman to sa talents and skills mo or through design. Yung iba may pag-aaralan pagdating sa creative design, graphic design that will open up opportunities of money. To earn more money. Yung iba talaga meron sa internet, no? So yung iba mag-open up ng online business or yun nga online selling. And kung meron kang business ngayon, mas makakabuti talaga na ikaw ay i-open mo yan sa internet, no? Kumbaga, hindi lang yung old style na business na may pwesto ka, maganda rin na gawin mo siya ng Facebook page, ng mga social media page, para mas lumawak yung iyong reach, no? Mas lumawak yung masasagap mo or masasakupan mo or lalawak yung iyong market. 'Di ba? So, let's see yung love naman. Tingnan natin, love energies. New love. Itong new start is coming. Pwedeng new relationship talaga to. This makes sense with the Two of Cups. Merong bagong simula sa love. And then also clarity. So, you really know what you want. Alam mo na. So, yung iba, discover nyo na itong person na to may gusto talaga sa inyo. But pay attention to the red flags. Okay? Medyo, minsan kasi yan yung signs na, oops, pag-isipan muna if mag-invest ka talaga dito sa taong to o hindi. 'Di ba? Actually, mga red flags na yan, hindi naman ibig sabihin masamang tao na yung person na yun. Ito lang yung, lang yan tatanungin mo lang yung sarili mo kung if you can deal with that, no? Kung okay lang sa'yo yun. 'Di ba? Out of the woods, you've made it through. What newness is emerging? Oh my God. Aquarius, really. You are out of the woods. Kung meron ka mga naging challenging situation in the past, ito na, patapos na. And you are now welcoming a new beginning, a new opportunity sa inyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.